Welcome back to Frog's Garage, guys. So the plan for today was to go racing, but they ended up canceling the race for rain. So I got another project for us today that y'all might be interested in. I've been driving a truck with the exhaust on it for a while, and I like the exhaust on it, but it is sort of loud on the inside, so I want to tone it down a little bit. So what I got here, I ordered these from Summit. Is out of here. This is going to be a Vibrant Performance Resonator. It's going to be 3-inch in, 3-inch out, 18 inches long. So we're going to get these installed on the truck and just see how it changes the sound. So before we get them installed, I'm gonna go ahead and take the truck out, get a few videos with decibel readings on inside the cab of the truck at like 50 mile an hour idle, as well as like 70 mile an hour, and then we're going to get a outside, show what the decibel reading is outside of the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and load the truck up and take it out and get those readings for you. And then once we're done with all that, I'm gonna go ahead and get it pulled on in the shop, and we'll try to get these installed on, and then we'll do another decibel reading test after. So let me go ahead and go out and get y'all some before and after, or some before footage, and I'll see y'all back in just a second. All right, so I had you all on a time lapse, and but the battery died on the camera. I was almost done with it when it died, but I didn't notice it died. So basically what I did, I used to have just an 18-inch straight pipe right there in that section. I originally wanted to try to put the resonators right here behind the headers, but it ended up putting me into the cross member. So I had to put all that back together, and I came back here, and like I said, there was an 18-inch just straight pipe here. I actually used that for scrap pieces because these are 3-inch end diameters. So I had to kind of make an adapter that would slide in so I could put it together. So I just cut 2 little sections off of that straight pipe I took out just to make adapters to slide it together. Got it all clamped in. I cut the tips off the back of the muffler so that way I could just put them in the resonator and hang it by the hanger there. I'm probably gonna have to go back, and there's a hanger right there that's hitting the muffler since the mufflers are further forward. So it might rattle. If it does, I'll just either go back and bend that up to where it ain't touching the exhaust, or I'll just cut it off. Really, this is kind of temporary because I'm gonna have the whole exhaust redone anyways. I'm gonna have it come straight back on each side, the X pipe centered, and split going down the sides. And I'm gonna have it go over top the frame rail to a set of tips out the side. I got some square tips I'm gonna bring out the side right here. But anyways, I got the resonators on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull the truck out, pull it off to the side, go ahead and get the clip with the idle and the decibel reading on it with the idle, see how much it dampened it down, and I'm gonna get videos of all that. I'm gonna put the old readings overlaid on top of the video so you can see what it is now versus before. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it set on the ground, and I'll get that done for you. So let me get to work on that. Alright guys, so my overall review on it is I'm happy with it. I kind of wish it did quiet it down just a hair more, but it did mellow it out. One of the things I like is it got rid of a bunch of the kind of more high-pitched rasp and just gave it a more smooth, kind of deep tone. So I do like that about it. I have a feeling that it's going to be hard to get it real quiet on the inside of the truck, just because it's dumped underneath. I have a feeling when I do finish up my exhaust where I have it run out the side, that's going to really dampen down interior sound a lot for me. And I may add some sound deadener to the floor and the back wall of the cab to help as well. And then I think it'd be perfect. Like I said, it's not really unbearable or anything like that driving around. Maybe I'm getting old, but I wish it was a little bit quieter. But again, I'm still very happy with the performance of the Resonators. I'm glad I went with the 18-inch over the 12-inch. I feel like the 12-inch may have not really done anything. So yeah, if your goal is maybe to just tone your car or truck down just a little bit, give it a nice, deep, more smooth tone, you may want to add some Resonators in. Again, I'm gonna put the link for the Resonators down in the description. Mine was 3-inch inner diameter, so if you have a 3-inch exhaust on your vehicle already, you can literally just cut the pipe, slide these over, put your band clamps on, and you're good to go. So again, guys, thanks for watching. If you please like, subscribe to the channel, and stick around. I'm gonna have some more reviews and stuff like that coming out on different parts. All right, have a good one.